crafty friends.
Hi guys!
How's everybody doing today? We are super excited to be joining you for our product reveal. If you haven't watched one of these before, we are going to walk through the new products that will be coming out on Tuesday. And
Okay.
It's the last Tuesday of the month. What does that mean? Kit week. Yes. We are releasing our February kit on Tuesday, February 26th. And we are super excited to show you what is coming. So you are seeing this likely because you're maybe on our Fans of Tailored Expressions page, and we like to give a little sneak peek of everything that's coming early for those of you that are involved there. So welcome. Should we get started?
Yes.
Okay, let's
I'm ready
do it.
to walk through it all.
Me too. I am so excited about this one. I think just the possibilities of color combinations and layouts and designs make it really like get your brain going.
Yes.
And it's super versatile too, which we always try to go for with our products because if you're going to invest in something, you want to be able to use it for a lot of different things.
Yes.
And this kit
please.
really delivers on that.
Yes.
Okay.
I know. I think they're going to just love it. So
I
I'm
got
like,
my hype girl. My hype girl's here today.
We're ready.
Okay, so let's take a look at our February kit. It is called
Dun, da, da, da.
Talking in Circles. Now, the name for this kit is really apropos because we literally talked in circles about all of the elements in this kit, how they would fit together, what is the best size for these elements. So when it came to naming the kit, it kind of came easily. We were like, well, we just talked in circles about that.
Yes,
we did. The name of the kit is Talking in Circles. Let's open it up. This is our kit pouch, and you see it has a Velcro flap at the top, and you've got your nice pouch sticker.
That sticker.
Isn't that
It's
cute?
so colorful.
Heather designed this kit for you all. She is so talented with these
She's so great.
kind of geometric kits, and we have done something similar to this. You might recognize if you were around last year, we had our Pieced Patterns kit, which was creating patterns with squares and triangles. And now we have our Talking in Circles kit, which allows you to build patterns using circles and half circles and quarter circles. So we thought of all the things. Let me show you kind of what this kit is built around. We have our Talking in Circles whole, Talking in Circles half, and Talking in Circles quarter. So each of these dies is designed to cut out full circles, half circles, and quarter circles. So these are kind of like little pie pieces that allow you to build even more detailed patterns. And then when you mix them with the full and the half, you have so much versatility and opportunity to really do whatever you want. So I can't wait to share design team samples.
I know.
The things they do with these products always amaze me. So those are the 3 dies that are going to help you build all of the patterns that we're going to see today. Then, again, to help you build the patterns, we have our TE maps. These are Talking in Circles printed on A2 sugar cube panels. And then we have Talking in Circles printed on mini slim sugar cube panels.
Those ones are my
Aren't they
favorite.
super
The
fun?
mini slim ones.
Yes.
They're gorgeous. Look at all those different designs. And I love these maps because for me, I get lost in okay, I've picked out my colors. Now what should I do with my colors and my pieces? And it really just helps you clarify what you want to do. And you get these gorgeous cards afterwards that you're just like, I did this.
It's really kind of gives you, like you said, a jumping off point, a starting point for your project. So in this particular one that I'm showing you, you get 2 each of 6 different patterns. These are printed on heavyweight sugar cube cardstock. You might remember some of our, actually I believe all of our other maps are printed on a thin,
printer
paper. Thank you, Whitney. I was going to say typing paper.
I knew it. I saved you.
Thank you. Okay. They're printed on a thinner paper with the idea that you would put a sticky sheet over the top and then you would place all of those squares and triangles on our previously released Pieced Patterns maps. These, however, because you have some white spaces that are not filled, you don't want to put a sticky sheet over this entire design. Instead, you want to use your adhesive, whether you choose to use maybe a tape runner. I've been using liquid glue to piece my pieces back on top of the pattern. And I know that might sound like a lot of work to you guys, but I want to assure you that we have thought about the sizing of this. Like I said, we talked in circles.
Yes, we did.
About the size of the circles. And we have made these really approachable because you're not gluing down hundreds of tiny pieces. So
ooh, look
at
at
that.
that one.
Isn't that one fun? So you see you've got a quarter circle here, a half circle here that kind of highlights this central area depending on what colors you choose to do. So let me just flip through a few more of these. Obviously these are printed in grayscale. The die cut pieces would perfectly cover these up. These, because they're printed in grayscale, cannot be foiled, in case you're wondering that question. But there you go. Those are all of the 12 pieces that you get in the maps. And then let me walk you through the mini slim map.
Do any of the maps from the A2 also come in mini slim, or are they all different in the mini slim pack?
Well, I do think there might be a few that are, well, now that I'm flipping
Because
through.
I love the mini slim this time. I think that's
amazing.
they
are almost all different. This one that
Perfect.
has like the half circles might be the same, but of course it's printed on a mini slim, so it looks different based on the scale. There's also white space around the edge if you want to cut the panel out and then layer it on your card base. You could do that as well. These are kind of fun. They look like S's going down the card. So lots of fun options here for cutting and pasting your patterns together. Now, I know we get a lot of questions about mini slim cards and whether they require the same amount of postage as a regular A2 card. The answer is yes. So there's really no reason not to dive in and try a mini slim card, especially when you get these maps. They are 3.5 by 6 is the size of a mini slim card when it's folded. So that would be a 6 by 7 inch piece of paper scored at 3.5 and folded. So it's super easy. It's something you can buy the mini slim card bases at our website, or you can cut them yourself and score them.
The envelopes too. We have
and the envelopes.
Yes, I just love the different sizes.
Yeah,
I like having options.
We like to make it easy for everyone, so you can grab mini slim envelopes to fit your cards and coordinate them with the cardstock colors that we offer as well. So as with all of our kits, we have the insiders. This one is called Talking in Circles to go with your circle themed cards. Sending big hugs your way. So glad you're in my circle of friends.
Aww,
isn't that cute?
Yes.
You make my world go round.
Ah, cute.
And thinking of you on this extra special day. So you'll get 3 each of those 4 sentiments, and these are printed in a way that they can be foiled if you do toner foiling.
I wanted to mention about these too, because we've had designers use them in mini slim cards. You guys have used them with, you can use your stacklets to cut them down and size them, or a circle stacklet to cut out the sentiment. And I love how, usable they are, even to the front of the card.
Yes.
But either option, A2 or mini slim.
They do work for mini slim. You just have to trim off some of the side in order to fit that inside of your mini slim card. So good reminder. This year with our kits, we are doing a tailored tutorial. This is a printed sheet that gives you a tutorial, written instructions along with supplies and directions on how to make this card pictured on the front.
I feel like you did this for me this year. It was like, let's take Whitney step by step through a project, because I love every project that you've created so far. I've loved it, and having all of that information for me, perfect.
Yes,
Make it easy.
I mean, it even tells you right down to the cardstock colors. We have the diagram here, so you know exactly what size, whether you need a quarter or a half or a full circle, in order to make this fun pattern that looks almost shaded, because I use the lighter colors on the inside and then the darker colors around. So it gives it some really fun dimension. And then we have a little insert. We talked about this last month. This is going to take you, when you scan this with your phone, you will be taken to the Pinterest gallery that has all of our design team projects in it. And when you share your projects on our Facebook page, we might just pick those up and put them in the gallery as well. So make sure when you're creating, hop on Fans of Tailored Expressions, upload your projects using the Talking in Circles kit so we can keep inspiring everyone with these products. Okay, so I didn't talk about the cost of the kit. It is $64 for the items in the kit. And as you know, we always like to add additional versatility by putting additional products outside of the kit. So we have some add-ons. All of the add-ons can be purchased separately, or you can buy our full circle bundle, which includes the kit plus all of the items that I'm going to show you now. All right, so first up, we have our envelope seals. Again,
I love them.
Aren't they so cute? Let's
They're
take them out.
so bright, too. I love the pouch sticker and the envelope seals color.
So they say share joy and happy mail. So two options there with those fun stickers. And you can purchase those again separately or as part of the full circle bundle. You'll get one pack in the bundle. If you are purchasing the bundle, it's just over $100 for the entirety, including the kit and these extra items. Then we've got the Talking in Circles piercing plate. I'm going to show you samples that the design team has created, and we are going to be crafting live with this on Tuesday. So make sure you mark your calendar. All of these circles that are pierced into this design are perfectly sized to work with your cutouts, which allows you to not only have a fun piercing pattern, but to piece your circles back into the design without using a map. So this gives you more versatility to create patterns that we may not have designed for you in the map. And then just for Heather Nichols and all of you toffee loving fans, we have the maps printed on toffee cardstock. So Heather's going to be showing these with her projects, and she made some really cute ones using the maps, piecing the colored die cut pieces over the top of toffee cardstock is just going to give you a different look. So if you love toffee, grab these mini slim and A2 panel maps that are already done for you.
Who doesn't love toffee?
I know. It's fun. You can
it.
get a little bit more of a masculine look
Yes.
with more regal colors on toffee, and they are the same exact patterns that are in the sugar cube ones.
Okay.
They're just on toffee.
Perfect.
Should we look at some
More
inspiration?
options. Yes.
Oh,
yes.
this is the best part.
It is. Let's see what everybody made.
Okay. Here is a look at one of the cards created using one of the mini slim maps. Jill made this one. Look at that fun color combination. This is really a great opportunity to try color.
Yes.
Experiment with color and play with the TE collection of cardstocks. And this is not a color combination I have ever seen put together before. Jill always does something unique, and I love how she added her stitching details on there, added a little score line all the way around the outside to really draw your eye into that central pattern. Then you guys have already seen this, but here it is on camera. This is the tailored tutorial project, and really great that hello sentiment just fits perfectly in that center opening.
Hello, you're awesome. I love
I
that.
know. Who wouldn't want to receive that?
Yes.
You know what? I am awesome.
I need that today.
And then this, you guys, everybody know this
Jill.
character. It's the Hungry Caterpillar. Hungry Caterpillar. Have you read this book to your kids? Probably, Whitney.
Absolutely.
Jill saw these half circles and she thought caterpillar.
I mean, yes.
As everyone does.
Everyone.
I'm sure.
Yeah, I wasn't thinking florals and...
No, I was thinking definitely caterpillar.
Definitely.
I love how Jill's mind works, and she'll have on her blog all of the little pieces that she used to create the little feet and the eyes and the antenna.
I need to create this card, so...
And I think the sentiment is so perfect.
I know.
You grow, girl.
Yes.
All right, Lori.
Ooh, this one
Loved
too.
this one.
Love it.
How creative is that to use our stamp? It's called Hold My Blooms. and it has the stems with the leaves, and then she created the blooms using our quarter circle die, added in several of the stenciled butterflies, and I just think that is so fun.
So pretty.
Another one from Jill. Love this color combination. I'm gonna have to write this one down. I haven't even counted how many colors there are, but super cute and fun pattern that you can create using, you could use the piercing plate to do something like this, or I believe Jill placed these onto our pierced grid background piercing plate.
It's a great one too.
So adding a little bit more texture
Open that
and
card
dimension.
up and see if she listed all of those
she
colors.
did. Okay, you guys see those colors there? Take your screenshot. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
Well done, Jill.
Only 11 colors. But I think worth it. I love it.
Yes.
Okay, and then I created this one. So you may notice, let me just give you a little look at these dies again. So the whole circle die looks like this. We did not share any cut lines on this die because we wanted it to be able to be used as a template to build a card like this. Or maybe you just want to use it to cut 6 circles in your card and poke little critters coming out of them. So we wanted to make this die even more versatile for you. It is a little bigger than the other dies, but you can use it for things like this. Then if you turn these dies over, you will see they are smaller and they share the cut lines. So you can cut out more in a smaller space. But the reasoning behind making this equally spaced to fit on your A2 card base is to give it more purpose and versatility. So that's what I explored here. I just did kind of a light and a dark of all the color families in the rainbow, put a few small sentiments and hearts on there, and you've got a quick and easy project.
That's adorable.
Okay.
Do you want to show your live project?
Yes, I do.
Okay.
I hope everybody will plan to tune in for the live, and I'm going to give you a little sneak peek of what we're going to be making. I created these cards using the piercing plate. So this is part of the full circle bundle, or you can purchase it separately as well. And this allows you to create patterns that you want to. You don't have to follow a printed map, and I was able to come up with this bloom using the quarter circles and adding some details, stamping some dimension on them, and then adhering them down. So I'm going to show you my tips on how to do that. You can see I made one in lots of the different colors of the rainbow.
They look so springy.
They do.
I'm excited. Even in this -degree weather, I'm like, spring, come early.
Yes, we need some spring. Happy thoughts for spring weather around here as we are freezing. Literally freezing.
Our parkas.
Yes. All right, should we come back and say farewell? All right. Okay, we did it.
I know.
Another product reveal.
It was so fun.
Thank you guys for tuning in and watching. Again, all of these products will be available on our website, tailoredexpressions.com, on Tuesday, February 26th, starting at 9 a.m. And then mark your calendar for my live, and we will get crafty together at 10. All right, everybody. See you next time.
Bye, guys.
Bye.